Ki khubor ka batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Wanrah Mynsiem Kaba Ïajan Hapdeng Paidbah Nongthied bat KGN Suzuki Company. Kasyutre kurang pang arajar pausan. Kala penlong yang kata masanya thok kabla tip kum ke Suzuki Riding Fest. Kabla penlong HSRGT Parking Lot Polo Ground Shillong. Hakani kesni dapat Paidbah ru ya atli ki thok Ashaka kue ke bat Gigsa SF new model bat ke Access 125 new model bat la penlong ru ikala ki draw hakani kesni. Nulor kita, ladan ru ki jimpin i bike stand Gigsa Gymkhana di kinyonya batubit baha, kedan ru ka Avenue Track dan bentagi Paidbah bawan sakia kini ke Riding Fest. Kedan ru ka junior cop cosplay ke Avenue Mileage Contest bat ke Reel Making Competition. Hagani ke skin ladan ru ka yoyo de yathiet bat ki jingrwa ni ki kinhun tema pau jongan ni ke jala nulor kiwe de.
And they are giving the best to ride along. Okay, on the countdown of 3, 2, 1, please pick up on the stage. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Can we have some claps for him? Can we cheer him, guys? Can we cheer him?
being my best friend.
Oh, thank you very much. So Suzuki Jigsaw is your best friend for all the rides here and there, around the hills and to the plains. Thank you very much, and ladies and gentlemen, may we have a big round of applause as we welcome on stage the owner of JN Suzuki, Ïajan. And to do the order, can we have our gifts? Ma'am. Gratitude given by Ïajan to our very long-term customer, very long-term owner, Cornabel Parchandi. Do the honor, may I invite on stage Mr. Thank you very much, Frankie, for being a long-term owner of Suzuki, and I hope that you had a wonderful time with Suzuki. There you go with your trophy for the Regional Manager Service. Now, always a pleasure to have people like you amongst us. Please explain in one single sentence, how was your experience with Suzuki? Or what would you say about Suzuki Jigsaw?
Suzuki. The best thing is that about service. The Suzuki team, they're one of the best service team which they have. And I really commend every person to have and experience with this Suzuki. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And the fifth position goes to Satnan Singh. And there we have a big check given to our fifth winner contest in East Manipura Win Song. Do the honor, may I invite on stage Niladri Chakraborty. Contest is Swanbar Linsong. And the second winner is Harmansa Sutin. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Congratulations पहली बार, कैसा लग रहा है?
I am very happy today.
Congratulations Harmansa Sutin. And the first prize goes to Krab Cooper Lindo. Very pretty lady, Ïajan, the owner of JN Suzuki, and her wonderful man, Paidbah, being awarded with a cash prize with a check worth of 5,000.
First of all, I want to thank you, God, for protecting me from everywhere where I'm going. It's with me. And now, for everyone who's going home, God will protect you too. Today I'm so happy that I can tell you, sir, or everyone. And that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Suzuki company. Thank you very much.
To do the honor, Mr. Daman, you are the in charge of pulling off. Not now. Abhinay. On the counter. Are you guys excited? Yes, we are. And now we are about to unveil, we are about to launch the new Suzuki Jigsaw series. And on the countdown of 3, 2, 1, pull it up. Okay, are we ready? Faces, camera की तरफ और एक बहुत बड़ी मुस्कान के साथ 3, 2, 1. Please launch the new Suzuki Jigsaw series. Very hot bikes, motorbikes that I've ever seen. How is this possible? I've been waiting throughout the day to find the perfect moment. When can we launch the new Suzuki XS 125? Okay, we can't wait further and we all are very excited. So, ladies and gentlemen, on the countdown of 3, 2, 1, we shall launch, we shall unveil the new Suzuki XS 125. Well, before that, ladies and gentlemen, can I please have a shout out? Nay, this is too low. Can I please have a louder shout out? So are you guys excited for the launch? Are you guys excited? My God, that's wonderful. So now the countdown of 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wonderful. It is amazing. Delivery. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, here is another announcement, and that is with the newly launched Suzuki XS 125, we already had 2 deliveries, and they have been delivered to Kinmoshwa Car. Kinmoshwa, if I'm spelling it, pronouncing it correctly, it's Kinmoshwa Car who has taken 1 delivery, and Ridalin Mynsiem. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for Kinmoshwa? She's already on stage. I didn't notice properly. Ma'am, please come forward, and we are so proud and so happy. Can we have a big round of applause for Kinmoshwa? And can we also have on stage Ridalin Mynsiem? Congratulations. She has been the second lady to purchase the newly launched Suzuki XS 125. She is the second buyer. Congratulations, a very young lady, a very pretty lady, purchasing the newly launched Suzuki XS 125.
Kapor Kaladay, Bapinjit Yaki MDC Jongpi, Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Batka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu Kinle, Lada Kijob, Ka A Katong, Kabakidon, Ki A Kiman, Kibakongsan, Kibakibu Akman, Kita, Kideki Jinkali, Kibafidon Kamman Yo Yakajubab, Hashwa, Bapin Lake Ban Tap Yakavote Jongpi, Haka Arpway Tarik Urampang, Arajar Arpsa. Baik Yaganeka program, Markman, Bat Kikertong.